Welcome in electronic register Nuvola. First of all, click here, and then enter your username and password, and click Login. In menu Home, you can see Works for tomorrow, today's arguments, latest events, latest absence, latest vote. If you want to see vote for a single subject, you have to click here. To see the total absences, you have to click here. If you go here, you can also justify the absence. And here, you can see all your homework. If you click here, and then go here, so in this way, you can see all the important notices or documents from the school, and then you can simply open by clicking here. Enter your username and password, and then click Login. After that, select a child if you have more than one. Click here if you want to have a meeting with the teacher, and then here, and now select the professor. After that, choose a time to meet, and now you can confirm it.